Exploring magnets, complete with answers and explanations. 1. Which of the following objects will be attracted by a magnet? A. Plastic ruler. B. Steel paper clip. C. Eraser. D. Wooden pencil. Answer. B. Steel paper clip. Explanation. Steel contains iron, which is a magnetic material and is attracted to magnets. 2. Which part of a bar magnet has the weakest magnetic attraction? A. North pole. B. South pole. C. Center of the magnet. D. Both poles equally. Answer. C. Center of the magnet. Explanation. Magnetic strength is highest at the ends, poles, and lowest near the middle. 3. Two north poles of two different magnets are brought close together. What will happen? A. They will attract. B. They will repel. C. They will cancel out. D. They will rotate automatically. Answer. B. They will repel. Explanation. Like poles, NN or SS, push each other away. Repulsion. 4. A south pole and a north pole are brought close together. What will happen? A. They will repel. B. They will attract. C. Nothing will happen. They will demagnetize. Answer. B. They will attract. Explanation. Opposite or unlike poles, NS, pull toward each other. Attraction. 5. Which of the following is an example of a non-magnetic material? A. Iron key. B. Copper wire. C. Nickel coin. D. Cobalt strip. Answer. B. Copper wire. Explanation. Copper is non-magnetic, whereas iron, nickel and cobalt are magnetic metals. 6. Why does a freely suspended bar magnet point in the north-south direction? A. Due to the sun's gravity. B. Due to Earth's magnetic field. C. Due to air currents. D. Due to atmospheric pressure. Answer. B. Due to Earth's magnetic field. Explanation. The Earth acts like a giant magnet, causing freely suspended magnets to align along its north-south magnetic lines. 7. What happens if you cut a bar magnet in half across its length? A. One piece gets only a north pole and the other gets only a south pole. B. Both pieces lose their magnetism. C. Each piece becomes a complete magnet with both N and S poles. D. The magnetic poles disappear. Answer. C. Each piece becomes a complete magnet with both N and S poles. Explanation. Magnetic poles always exist in pairs. Single, isolated, magnetic poles cannot exist. 8. Which of the following shapes is not a common shape of a magnet? A. Horseshoe. B. Cylindrical. C. Barred. Triangular pyramid. Answer. D. Triangular pyramid. Explanation. Standard manufactured magnets come in shapes like bar, horseshoe, cylindrical, ring, and button/disc. 9. What is a magnetic compass used for? A. Measuring temperature. B. Finding geographic directions. C. Measuring weight. D. Generating electricity. Answer. B. Finding geographic directions. Explanation. A compass uses a small pivoting magnetic needle that points north-south to help find directions. 10. Which material is commonly used to make magnetic keepers for storing magnets? A. Soft iron. B. Wood. C. Plastic. D. Glass. Answer. A. Soft iron. Explanation. Strips of soft iron placed across the poles of magnets prevent them from losing their magnetism over time. 11. Which action can result in the loss of a magnet's magnetic properties? A. Wrapping it in cotton. B. Dropping it repeatedly on a hard floor. C. Keeping it in a wooden box. D. Placing it near another wooden block. Answer. B. Dropping it repeatedly on a hard floor. Explanation. Physical shocks, hammering, or dropping a magnet can disrupt the alignment of its internal domains and cause demagnetization. 12. If a magnet attracts an unknown metal object, what can you definitely conclude? A. The metal object is a permanent magnet. B. The metal object is made of a magnetic material. C. The metal object is non-magnetic. D. The metal object is positively charged. Answer. B. The metal object is made of a magnetic material. Explanation. Attraction shows that the object is made of a magnetic material, but repulsion is the only sure test that the object itself is a magnet. 13. What is considered the sure test for magnetization? A. Attraction. B. Repulsion. C. Rotation. D. Friction. Answer. B. Repulsion. Explanation. A magnet can attract non-magnetized ion objects as well as opposite poles, but it can only repel another magnet's like pole. 14. What happens when iron filings are scattered on a sheet of paper placed over a bar magnet? A. They spread out uniformly across the sheet. B. They concentrate around the ends of the magnet. C. They move to the center of the magnet. D. They fly off the paper. Answer. B. They concentrate around the ends of the magnet. Explanation. Iron filings align along magnetic field lines and gather where the field is strongest, which is at the poles. 15. Which naturally occurring mineral is known as a natural magnet? A. Quartz. B. Lodestone magnetite. C. Hematite. D. Feldspar. Answer. B. Lodestone magnetite. Explanation. Lodestone is a naturally magnetized piece of the mineral magnetite. 16. How should bar magnets be stored in pairs to retain their magnetism? A. Like poles facing the same direction. B. Opposite poles facing each other, separated by wood. C. Stacked directly on top of each other with no barrier. D. In a container filled with water. Answer. B. Opposite poles facing each other, separated by wood. Explanation. Bar magnets should be kept in pairs with opposite poles side by side, separated by a piece of wood, and capped with soft iron keepers. 17. Which of the following items is safest to keep near strong magnets? A. Credit cards with magnetic strips. B. Wooden ruler. C. Computer hard drives. D. Mobile phones. Answer. B. Wooden ruler. Explanation. Wood is non-magnetic and unaffected by magnetic fields, whereas electronic devices and magnetic strips can be damaged. 18. The pole of a freely suspended magnet that points toward the geographical north is called the A. South Pole. B. West Pole. C. North Pole. D. East Pole. Answer. C. North Pole. Explanation. By definition, the north-seeking pole of a magnet points toward the geographic north. 19. What type of force is magnetic force? A. Contact force. B. Non-contact force. C. Frictional force. D. Muscular force. Answer. B. Non-contact force. Explanation. A magnet can exert force on a magnetic material or another magnet without physically touching it. 20. Which of the following will not be attracted by a magnet? A. Iron nail. B. Cobalt RODC. Aluminum foil. D. Nickel washer. Answer. C. Aluminum foil. Explanation. Aluminum is a non-magnetic metal, so it is not attracted by magnets. 21. What happens to a magnetic needle in a compass when it is brought near a bar magnet? A. It stops moving completely. B. It deflects from its north-south alignment. C. It spins infinitely fast. D. It loses its magnetism instantly. Answer. B. It deflects from its north-south alignment. Explanation. The magnetic field of the bar magnet exerts a force on the compass needle, causing it to align with the magnet's field instead. 22. A student brings the north pole of a bar magnet near an unidentified object X, and X moves away. Object X must be A. An iron rod. B. A piece of wood. C. Another magnet with its north pole facing the magnet. D. A copper ring. Answer. C. Another magnet with its north pole facing the magnet. Explanation. Repulsion only occurs between two like magnetic poles. 23. Which state of matter is typically used to create strong artificial permanent magnets? A. Liquids. B. Solid metals and alloys. C. Gases. D. Plasma. Answer. B. Solid metals and alloys. Explanation. Permanent magnets are manufactured from solid metals like iron, steel, or alloys such as alnico and neodymium. 24. Which magnet shape consists of a curved U shape, bringing both poles close together? A. Bar magnet. B. Ring magnet. C. Horseshoe magnet. D. Cylindrical magnet. Answer: C. Horseshoe magnet. Explanation: horseshoe magnets are U-shaped so that both the north and south poles point in the same direction, concentrating the field. 25. What is the minimum number of poles a magnet can have? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. Answer: C. 2. Explanation: every magnet must have at least two poles, north and south. Monopoles do not exist. 26. When a bar magnet is placed near iron filings, where do the fewest filings stick? A. At the north pole. B. At the south pole. C. At the middle of the magnet. D. Filings stick equally everywhere. Answer: C. At the middle of the magnet. Explanation: the middle region of a bar magnet has the weakest magnetic attraction, so very few or no filings stick there. 27. Which ancient travelers were known to use lodestone attached to strings for navigation? A. Sailors and traders. B. Mountain climbers. C. Cave explorers. D. Aviators. Answer: A. Sailors and traders. Explanation: ancient mariners used suspended lodestones as early directional compasses for sea navigation. 28. What should be placed between two bars magnets kept side by side in a storage box? A. An iron strip. B. A piece of wood or plastic. C. A copper wire. D. A sheet of aluminum. Answer: B. A piece of wood or plastic. Explanation: a non-magnetic separator like wood or plastic prevents the magnets from touching and demagnetizing each other. 29. Can a magnet attract an object made pure gold? A. Yes, gold is strongly magnetic. B. No, gold is non-magnetic. C. Only if the gold is heated. D. Only if the magnet is very large. Answer: B. No, gold is non-magnetic. Explanation: pure gold is a non-magnetic metal and will not interact with a magnet. 30. How can you make a temporary magnet using a simple iron nail? A. By dipping it in warm water. B. By stroking it repeatedly in one direction with one pole of a magnet. C. By leaving it out in sunlight. D. By wrapping it in paper. Answer: B. By stroking it repeatedly in one direction with one pole of a magnet.